In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Salesflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep follow-ups on track using tasks, how to make the most of Salesflare's automatic suggestions, and how to ensure you actually get notified at the right time. First, let's talk about how reminders work here. In Salesflare, a reminder is simply a task with a due date. That's the core idea. When you set a task and give it a due date, Salesflare treats that as your reminder to take action, whether that's following up, preparing for a call, or checking in on an account. To set one up, head to the Tasks section. Click the plus button to create a new task. Give it a clear title so you recognize it instantly later. Something like Follow Up with a Contact works great. Next, click the calendar icon and choose your due date. That date is what turns this into a functioning reminder. Save the task, and you're done. When the due date arrives, the task will appear in your Today view, and if it's upcoming, you'll see it in Upcoming. A quick tip: using specific titles and realistic due dates helps you prioritize at a glance and avoid clutter. Salesflare also helps by suggesting reminders automatically, so you don't have to create every single one yourself. If an account hasn't seen activity for a certain number of days, it will suggest a follow-up task for you. You can adjust that inactivity threshold in Settings under Task Settings, so it fits your sales cycle. If someone emails you and you haven't replied, Salesflare can convert that into a suggested task to close the loop. And around meetings, it will nudge you beforehand and suggest a task afterward to add your notes, so details don't get lost. These suggestions show up alongside your tasks, making it easy to accept and act on them. Finally, make sure reminders actually reach you. Go to Settings, then Notification Settings, and turn on the notifications you want, like Task Due or someone assigned a task to you. Double-check your browser or device permissions as well, and allow Salesflare notifications so you see pop-ups or push alerts when they matter. If you work across devices, verifying permissions on each one helps keep everything in sync. That's it. Use tasks with due dates for intentional reminders, let automatic suggestions fill the gaps, and confirm your notifications so nothing slips through.